Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-September reading and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Leos in the middle of September. Please, my angel guide spirits, please help me find the answers for my Leos, please. Let's see. Okay. So what's the situation right now like? It's the Knight of Swords. This is an energy where you really want the things to be fast. Okay, the process, whatever process in which you are in the situation, you want it fast. You want it like, okay, please happen fast. As you know, you don't want to wait. The wait is over. That kind of a situation. You are ready to even fight for that particular thing if you are dealing in a situation where fight is involved, where rebelling things are involved, so you are ready to rebel as well. What's the issue? Six of Wands. So this might be a success. So this is regarding your promotion, or this is regarding something which you really want, and you want success in your life, you want that fame in your life. So this might be regarding that for some of you. You want to be successful, you want to be victorious, and that is why you are really fighting for that particular thing right now. So good energy, but you know, when you really have that consciousness that at least you know you are there to stand in front of so many people to fight for what you deserve, for what you actually desire, and this is really good energy, Leos. You know what you want at least. What's in your subconscious? The Tower. So this is the energy where you do not know, or where you do not want to see what the things are actually happening. So this might be a very big turmoil, or this might be a big change in your life. You might not even know that, because this is something, you know, which comes crashing in your life, and then your life just gets a big whole turn. So this might be that period of your life right now in which you are dealing with, but at least you are there, you are rebelling for that thing, you are ready for that fight to come. So you are not emotional, you are not crying, but it's more about how you are actually, you know, taking things the way they are actually coming in your life. What's the past situation? Two of Swords. So there might have been some kind of a place, time, when you actually thought about some kind of a decision, or this might be a path which you actually wanted to choose, but you were never you were exactly not ready, like what to do and what not to do. There were people around you who always tried to manipulate you, but you never listened to anyone. It's still the same energy. You are not listening over here to anyone. See, you are not seeing anyone. Your heart is crossed. So you are not ready for any emotional stuff. All you are doing over here is the practical stuff, the practical knowledge which you have. You are looking towards the things in a very practical manner, not in a very emotional right now. No. What's in your mind? The Chariot. All you want is to move on. So if the things are really happening, the sudden changes, the big turmoils in your life, you know, everything falling away from your sight, everything is just, you know, when one problem comes, everything comes, more problems start coming one after another. So this kind of a situation might be happening, but you are very steady in this, Leos. A very positive energy is actually coming from your side, that you are actually You want this thing and you are really ready to move on. Whatever is happening, I am ready to move on. This is what your answer is. No matter if a person leaves you, no matter, I don't care. If you leave someone, no matter. If there are some kind of small issues, sometimes big issues, things really go upside down, but you are really moving on. That is all you are doing. What's your future energies? The Fool. Yes, so you are ready to begin a new life. The new life, the kind of you like, and that is why you are ready. So, by this card in the Two of Swords in the past, it was more about people telling you what to do. When you are ready for something, but still there is a person in your life who always tries to tell you that you are right or wrong, who always has some kind of an advice to give to you, but you don't need that. And that is why the Fool, it's like, this fool, he never listens to anyone. All he does is his work, his thing, because he wanted to do that thing. This is what he does, and this is what you are actually doing. So this might be sometimes bad as well because of his stubbornness, like to do a particular thing. But this is life. It goes on, and if you really want to do something, just be happy and do it. And that is what you are doing in your future as well. Okay, so how you see yourself as the Knight of Pentacles? You might be slow. This is more regarding that you really want. The situation involves that you should fight for that thing. But right now, what you are doing, how you see yourself, you are slow. You are trying to take steps. You are trying to take baby steps towards that situation. You are still thinking. You are not just acting. You are thinking and then you will act. But with the Knight of Pentacles, the problem is he just stays over there. He doesn't do anything. So don't be like a Knight of Pentacles over here, I would advise, because the cards are telling me, because it's not your energy. This is how you are feeling right now. Your energy is the Knight of Swords. Your energy is the Chariot. Okay, so you are the one who always moves on. You are not the one who just stands still and wait for something else, someone else to come and show you the direction. No, you are always the driver of your car. See how this person is riding the horses. So you are always the one who takes the charge of your life. How people see you? See, this is you, the strength over here. So people see you as one who actually focus on yourself. So people see you as someone who is like, who cannot be just touched like this, just manipulated just like this, because you have worked on yourself. This is how people actually see you. Strength, who the person who has a lot of strength, a lot of courage to do something, who never gets manipulated by anyone, just like that, who takes the charge of his or her life. So this is how people also see you as. The lessons which you really need to learn. The Devil. See, with the Devil over here, so it's like things are temporary in life, and that is you really need to learn. Nothing will stay. Nothing. No person will stay. No situation will stay. You are also not going to stay at one point. We all are gonna die. So it's like really nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary. So if you will really just move on, you will go on with the flow, whatever you really want in your life. So things will be easier for you. That is what the Devil is trying to tell you. Be happy. Whatever is happening, just be in the present. Okay, stop living in the past and stop thinking about the future as well, because anxiety, all you will get is anxiety from the future situation. The final outcome is the Five of Swords. So with the Fool and Five of Swords, so if you're really entering in some kind of a situation where many people are involved, so you really have to be aware of the situation, because you are ready to move on. You're not stepping back in the situation. But what about the other people? Can you just trust at them just like that? Can you? So you always have to think about that decision, because your energies are positive, but what about others' energy? What about the others' intention? So I'm not really getting good intentions, because they know that you are the one who gets everything, who gets everything at the end. You are the one who basically who fight for your things, and then you get it. So people, they try to make things tough for you. They will try to manipulate you. They will try to play games, and to basically to they will try that they will try that you might lose this particular thing. So just be aware from these kind of people, I would suggest. Okay, so that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.